What's good, y'all? It's your boy Terrence Carter, TC Talks, TC Fitness. I'm glad to hear my people. Back at it again with another YouTube video. So I just want to talk to y'all. Uh, hmm. I want to talk to y'all about no longer playing life small, right? And learning how to become a much more disciplined individual that truly knows their worth. Now, the reason why I want to speak to you guys about this is because a lot of us have been conditioned and programmed to think a certain way about life. You know, a lot of us are running life on this script that's written from somebody else, which is you go to school, you get good grades, you get a good job, a secure job, and then you retire after 30 years or 40 years. But that is a script that somebody else has written for humanity, right? And we can see that we are living in total different time and age now where that script is not working for majority of the people, right? A lot of these 9 to 5 jobs are not paying you enough money. They're not paying you your worth. They never will. Some of y'all think that $30,000 a year or $40,000 a year is a lot of money, but it's not. In a year's span, right? You're trading so much of your valuable time, your valuable energy, the time you can no longer get back. Once the time is spent, it's already spent. And you're trading this time and energy to make somebody else rich, right? Or wealthy. But yet the job is keeping you small minded. It's keeping you in a structure with no type of like freedom to do the things that you truly want to do, the things that you truly desire. And a lot of people will, of course, gaslight themselves and say, "Oh, I love my job," or, you know, um, this is the job that I want to do for the rest of my life. But the truth be told is that you don't really love your job. You're just comfortable with the paycheck that the job is giving you until the job cuts you, right? Until they get rid of you. And now you don't have no backup plan. You don't have nothing to fall back on, right? And I'm not sitting here saying that creating content is any easier, because it's not. This is a job within itself. But I would rather do this and teach myself more about the stock market and owning assets and seeing how money works in real time. I would rather do that before I ever slave away at a company for 30 to 40 years of my life. Now, that's just my personal choice. To each his own, right? A lot of people will sit there and call me crazy, or, you know, uh, think that I'm supposed to conform to what majority of society is doing, when that's not my purpose on this planet. I'm not here to conform to what everybody else is doing. I'm here to discover my creative ability, my creative energy that God has given to me, and I'm here to put my power to use. We all have power within, right? Now, the reason why I'm also telling you guys to stop thinking small is because a lot of us think like, how much money can I make in an hour? Okay, so let's just say the job tells you when you go to the job interview, this job hiring is paying $18 an hour. Okay, so subconsciously you believe that the $18 an hour is what you are worth, right? But you don't think beyond the $18 an hour. That is how majority of people walk this planet. They don't think beyond the hourly wage. They don't think like an investor. A lot of people don't even know how money works. And trust me, bro, I just started learning all this stuff when I was 28. I'm only 31, right? So it took me a lot of trial and error. It took me a lot of belief in myself, which I'm still doing every day, right? It took me a lot of uncomfortable days to really understand that, truth be told, I've been bamboozled my whole entire life. Everything that was taught to me was wrong, right? Because the whole system is designed to control the masses of people. Conformity. Conform to this job, conform to this wage or this salary, and don't think beyond that. So when I tell y'all that the jobs will never pay you your worth, I really do mean that. Now, y'all can take that message how y'all want to, right? But the only way that you're truly going to free yourself from thinking like an hourly wage person is to realize that Rich rich people and wealthy people don't trade time for money. They own everything. They own the assets. They own the real estate. The clothes you got on, somebody is a owner of that, right? They have the businesses, right? And they have other people working for them. So the way that you got to start looking at your money, the money that you're making from either your job or your entrepreneur or whatever the case may be, is every dollar that you make outside of taking care of your bills, because we all have bills and responsibilities to take care of, right? Outside of paying down debts or whatever the case may be, right? You need to look at your money as employees. How much employees can I have working for me so that I can buy back my time? I don't want to be playing small and be looked at as an hourly wage person. And then you already see how they're trying to price people out. They're trying to get you to stay dependent on the government when the government is not coming to save you. Nobody cares about you. Nobody's going to care about if your kids is starving or if you're starving or if you're hungry. Your job ain't going to save you because they can lay you off whenever they want. So you got to think differently, bro. Don't put your life in the hands of another individual. Take back your power. Take back your power. Teach yourself how to be more disciplined. Teach yourself how to be a better steward of the money that you are making, right? Because we tend to have this false sense of reality that the money that you're making is gonna be like that forever when it's not. When it's not, bro. When you learn how to be disciplined with a little, God is going to reward you with more because you know how to be disciplined with a little. But if I sat there and I gave you $100, how fast could you spend that $100? So if you say I could spend it on the same day, that is bad. Because you're not even asking yourself, how can I make this $100 grow? You're saying, I want to buy this, I want to buy that, I want to purchase this, I want to purchase that, right? So we have to learn how to think differently, bro. All right. Another thing too, don't be afraid to take risk. Cause every day you taking a risk. Every day that you leave your house, you don't know if you're gonna make it back home. That's the truth. Whether you want to hear it or not, you don't know if you're gonna make it back home, right? Tomorrow ain't even promised to nobody on this planet. You understand what I'm saying? So you can't be afraid to risk your money into some stocks or put it into some real estate so that you can learn how to generate cash flow. You can't be afraid because fear is what holds majority of people back. You get what I'm saying? Like, don't get comfortable with $40,000 a year salary, $50,000 a year salary. Don't get comfortable with that because there's infinite amount of money out here. So why would you get comfortable with a $50,000 a year salary when half of that is gonna automatically go towards your rent? I'm not telling you I quit the job right now. Nah, keep your job, learn how to invest your money, learn how to trade, learn some skills, right? And then eventually you'll be able to work for yourself and you'll have the buffer, right? You'll have the buffer of money to hold you over. You understand what I'm saying? And it becomes a rinse and repeat process because this is how you're going to train your subconscious mind. Every day, you need to own some assets. I don't care if you buy fractional shares. I don't care if you buy full shares. You need to own assets because there's a wealth transfer that's happening in real time, and a lot of people are going to be left behind. Why? Because they are stuck in a 9 to 5 system. You're stuck in a 9 to 5 system, and you're not even seeing how it's bamboozling you because you're dependent on I need to work these hours in order to make money instead of saying how can I make the money work for me within these hours. Don't let that go over your head, you know. And today I had one of my highest days in the stock market. Amazon had earnings. Amazon went through the roof. Apple had earnings. Apple did good. I put myself in position to own the assets. You understand what I'm saying? Because that's my journey. Owning businesses, which is in the stock market. Every time you purchase stock, you are a part owner of the business. You're a shareholder. That's what it's called, right? But a lot of people don't. They don't want to see beyond the system. They have the fear of losing money when you're already losing money because inflation. Inflation is the hidden tax that everybody faces, right? And then you're already losing money because you're leaving so much money on the table because the hourly wage job is not paying you enough money to escape. The $20 an hour job is really $15 an hour after tax. You're gonna pay, bro. This system is just so rigged against the working class, bro. You pay so much in taxes because they tell you, oh, you're gonna get a social security check and and it's for Medicaid and all that stuff. That's what they tell you, bro. But how you know you? They want you to wait till you 70 something years old to get that. So they want you to work 30, 40 years of your life just to get a social security check. The system is rigged, bro. It's rigged. And you gotta understand that. It's rigged, bro. And I don't care how many hours you work at a 9 to 5 job. It's not meant to get you wealthy. It is meant to keep you controlled and keep you helping the company, helping the business make money, make profits, while they pay their employees the scraps. So start learning your worth, bro. And the more that you learn your worth, the more work you put in on these charts, the more that you retain your energy, that too, because you got to take back your power. A lot of y'all walk around with no type of energy, no type of oomph for life. A lot of people walk around like they don't care what happens in their life. They don't care. And it's sad because you should care about your life, right? You should want to experience a better version of yourself, a wealthier version of yourself, a healthier version of yourself. Why not? Why not? You understand what I'm saying? Like me, besides making myself proud, besides making my mom proud, my family, this is who I'm making proud, right? Besides making my fiance proud as well, this is who I'm making proud, my grandma. You know what I'm saying? And every day I keep my lady right next to me. She passed away 10 years ago, but she's still with me. She's still with me energetic wise. I may not be able to see her physically, but her energy lives on forever. So I'm making her proud, right? Every day that I'm trying to free myself from the rat race, I'm making her proud. I'm making her happy. You understand what I'm saying? So y'all gotta find a why in life, bruh. Because playing small and depending on the jobs, and we see the jobs doing layoffs, and you about to be replaced by a robot, you gotta become self sufficient. You don't have no choice. The 9 to 5 job is keeping people stuck, whether y'all want to believe it or not. It's a system. It is a spiritual warfare, bro. Like y'all gotta see it with your third eye. You gotta see life with your third eye, bro. All right. If y'all want to help this channel grow, subscribe. If y'all want to help the video reach more people, leave a thumbs up. It costs you nothing. It's free. And leave some comments below. All right. It's your boy Terrence Carter, TC Talks, TC Fitness, and welcome to Everlasting Awareness. Yes, sir.